Hi guys, it's Melanie with C21 Veterans. I just wanted to do a quick video on some things that Marcia and I have been working on inside of our Moxi blog and website, and some things we have discussed during class, hoping that the video might be able to help you be able to pause, stop, and do the work. So let me just screen share. All right, so let me go back over here. All right, so this is Marcia's blog on her website that she's been working on, and she's been doing some pretty cool stuff where she now has some videos built in. And when she posts these on Facebook, the videos are posting, which is really nice. And this is her blog. This is another one that she just did. Click on that one. See if I can get that to spin up. So this is stuff that she has been creating in Canva. So at any time, feel free to stop, pause, do the work, ask me if you have any questions. You can text me or send me an email and I will try to get through them. So inside of Canva, now Marcia and I do have Pro, so it is a little bit of a feature. I want to say it's like 120 a year. Super helpful in when you're doing blog posts, when you're writing descriptions of houses. So if you are going to use the AI artificial intelligence feature, you do need to have Pro, and there is a design visual docs. Once you click on that, that is going to open up a document. Let me see if I can just click on it once. And we're going to have this plus button, and you're actually going to click the word magic write, and you're going to say write me, and then whatever it is you want to write. So I'm going to go to this screen where I've already done it, and I've said write me a blog post on the Biden administration reducing mortgage insurance premiums and how it helps a homeowner. So I can take my time and I can write this blog, and it's great. It's going to take me probably an hour, realistically 4, because I don't actually know what to write. So when I use artificial intelligence and I'm asking it to write me something, I'm trying to be a little specific. If I say blog post, it's going to write me a couple of paragraphs as opposed to just a quick one paragraph type of thing. So again, I asked it to say, write me a blog post on the Biden administration reducing mortgage insurance premiums and how it helps homeowners. Now, if you guys don't know, on February 22nd, they actually just reduced those premiums from, I think, 0.85 down to 0.55. And I believe if an FHA puts 10% down, the rate is actually reduced to 0.5, and their insurance premium goes away after 10 years. So that's exciting. So I want to get this information out to the public. I want to be excited about it. I can let AI write this. I would definitely read through, because if you are doing this to make descriptions of houses, they don't have the same rules we have to abide by. So you got to make sure it doesn't say something like perfect for family home, perfect for families, great for kids in the backyard. So you may have to edit a little bit, but it does make a really nice description. And again, this made a really nice blog post. So once I had this blog post, I would actually copy this after I read it, made sure I was good to go, see if there's any changes. When we are in our C21 Moxi, you're going to get there from 21 Online. You are going to click on your menu. You're going to go to, I guess I should stay connected. You're going to click on your Productivity Hub and wait for that to load up. You're going to scan all the way down to anything that is related to Moxi. Ooh, right there. I'm going to click go to Moxi, and it's going to open me up into this lovely window where I already have my website started. We're now working on blog posts. So in order to get to your blog post, you will go to the left menu. You will scan down to blog post. All of the posts you've already done will be there. If you don't have any, that's fine. You're just going to click on add a new blog post, and it is going to open you up to a new window that looks like this. So now we want to enter our stuff that we've created in our Canva. I've already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it right there. That's a pretty good blog post. Now, Marcia and I look at our readability, and if it says needs improvement, we do scan down here. We look at our readability analysis, and it is going to tell me what is wrong. Marcia tries to get hers into the yellow, I believe, where it says readability is okay. Sometimes I'll just let it fly because I don't care. She does like to look through these, and it tells you what's wrong, what you could make better. So you could play with that a little bit. AI doesn't have the ability to make it readable, to this particular readability being okay, but you can change it around if you need to. You can let it go. But in order for it to be slightly better than this, because this is just words, not really anything cool, I want to go back into my Canva and I want to work on video, or I want to work on some sort of image that I want to create. And if you click on your video, you can go in and create. Oh, I thought I had one up here. There we go. So I picked a video template that looked like breaking news, and FHA to cut MIP fees by 0.3% from 0.85 to 0.55. So if I click on this little wheelie spins. It's kind of cool. It's just to catch attention, not anything more than that. You can see there's a bunch of other different types of templates. You can choose anything there, but we want to edit this by simply clicking, editing it up. And now I want to share this into my blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the share button. And this is where on other blogs, you can take this and download it as an MP4. You can download it as a flat image. We don't want to do any of that. We want to actually scan down from the share button to the more. And then we want to look for something called embed. So we're going to click this little embed code. And then we are going to take this HTML embed code and we are going to copy this. Don't worry about the smart embed. It doesn't do anything. So only click this embed code. I'm going to go back over to my post. Now you don't have to learn coding. You don't have to learn anything. What I want you to do is remember where it says the Biden administration, because I want the video to go above that. I'm going to click on this text box. All of the information looks very different now. We're going to scan to the top of that text box, and right at the very top, stick your mouse at the very top. And I want you to paste whatever it gave you. Don't change it. Don't look at it. Don't do anything. And then we're going to click visual. And now it's going to have a little box at the top there. And we are going to hit preview. Oh, well, I have to enter a title first. FHA admin drops MIP. Now we're going to hit preview. And it is going to show me my cool video that is now going to be embedded into my blog post. So super easy to get your video in there. And again, in the text, go to the top, drop the code in there, and don't do anything. Just go back to visual. And again, don't do anything here because it's already built into the site. It doesn't matter what it looks like right there. This is set to autofill your screen. So if you're on a cell phone, it's going to be smaller. If you're on a tablet, it's going to be a little bigger. When we are done and we are ready to go, now you can edit everything that's down below this in the text font, just nothing above it. So if you want to change your readability, go ahead. Make sure you save it as a draft if you're not ready to publish. If you are ready to publish, go ahead and hit the publish button. That is now going to give us our link right here that we can click on. And we now can view our post. We can share that link into our Facebook. But now we have a pretty cool image that comes across slightly different. So I hope that helps with you guys. Let me see if there's something. Marsha has some posts. Like she'll take this particular image. This is one Jen created, but she'll take this. And if you guys just create an image, real quick, I'll show you how to share it. We're going to take the image. We are going to download that image as a PNG. It's going to hit my computer down here. Oh, I downloaded all of them. Hold on. I'm going to show you how to download just one because it's a pain in the butt. So we're going to hit download. Instead of all 6 pages, I only want it to just download page 1. So now when I download just page 1, because that's the only image I really want to use, it is going to download it at the very bottom right here. So now if I'm back in my FHA, let me go back to another post. So we're just going to go to this one, some random post that I have. And I want to embed an image that I just created, that open house one. There is a box here that says insert edit media. Oh, right here, sorry, add media. We're going to upload our file, and we're just gonna drag and drop, doesn't matter what computer you're on. And I'm gonna choose that, and over here on the right, I'm gonna insert that right into my document. Kind of cool. Now that's the blog post, it's in there. If you guys want to add a link to something, so just in case we want this to say something, we're gonna go ahead and choose this insert edit link. This will allow you guys to edit a URL and link it out to something. So when you guys are linking it out, I would suggest that you link it to one of your pages into a search for that particular area. So real quick, I'll walk you guys through how to do that. So I'm going to click visit my site, but I'm going to right click and open in a new tab so I don't take myself out of my blog post. Now this is your cool website. That's by Moxi. And I'm going to type in Levittown because Nightingale was in Levittown. Always click this little magnifying search box. Now I've got every house for sale in Levittown currently on my screen. So I'm going to highlight this at the top. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to go back into my post. And remember where I said we're going to highlight this. We'll just pretend this as search. Well, let me just redo that. Search for all Levittown homes here. If this is what I want to be my hyperlink, I will click on this insert link and I will drop that whole URL I just copied and make sure you guys hit the apply button. And we're done. That's my link now for my blog post. So we've walked through how to quickly do a video in Canva, how to embed that video into our blog, how to take an image inside of Canva and enter it into our blog, and then also how to take a hyperlink and enter that into our blog post. So hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email, text me, stop in the office. Stop that.